Hi everybody, I'm Josh Romberg with MBO America, and we're here today to show you variable book production. With a combination of MBO and Hohner machinery, let's take a walk through and see what it takes to make a variable book with MBO roll-fed finishing equipment. So the first step in our finishing process begins here at the UW23 unwinder. With the capability of unwinding full 23-inch wide web rolls up to 50 inches in diameter, today we're going to take a roll printed by our friends at Screen and begin the process of bookmaking. One of the operator-friendly features on an MBO finishing line, especially on the Unwinder 23, is the articulated splice table. This table moves down to a nice comfortable height to allow operators to splice an expiring roll into a new fresh roll and continue the production process as quickly as possible. As our running roll of paper enters further into the unwinder, we get into the dancer roller section for tension control, which includes, as you see, a mechanical decurling device to keep the paper nice and flat as it moves through the process. As we exit the dancer section, the web enters a web guide section that allows to steer the web from operator to gear side, maintaining consistent performance. As we exit the unwinder, we enter the next step of our process, which is sheeting. In this case, you see our model SVC 525, which has the capability to take edge trims and center bleeds out before we enter the sheeting process. So here you'll see the SVC 525C, which is a rotary sheeter capable of cutoffs anywhere from 6 inches to 80 inches, all the way out to 20.5 inches wide. We run at speeds up to 250 meters per minute in a variety of different cutoffs. You'll get a look at the machine in operation here in the video, and you'll see the table as we exit, which acts as an ejection gate in manual operation mode to get sheets that you don't want to process further downline out of the process. As we exit the sheeter, we'll now enter the DFT23, the MBO digital folding module. In this case, our folder is equipped with selective folding that allows for the unique style of book production that you see in a combination of 8 and 12 page signatures to build a completely unique book product.
Thanks, Josh. I'm Sasha from Hohner, and I take you over to the part from our line. And here, in that part, we take over the already folded from the DFT23. That's our blow fold unit. And there we check the code and know how to fold and how to collate it. The second part of the blow fold unit is the collating section. There we count and collate the brochures and bring it to the chain. The next part is our control section. There we control all the sheets with the camera, with the thickness control and the length control. And after that we stitch it, bring it to the 90 degrees into the trimmer and trim it. After the trimming we can deliver it to a shingle delivery, to a stacker, or in that case to an MBO component.
Let me introduce you our new CoboStack 30i from MBO, now showcased here at HID in Luzern for the first time to the world, to our customers. This is the next generation of our CoboStack. Basically it's bigger, faster, stronger than our last one. Now working with sensors, so we can run it in collaborative mode and industrial mode. We can now run this CoboStack at over 450 packets an hour, and we can run at over 25 centimeters of packets heights, which makes the output of product around 3 times as much as the old CoboStack. So in short, with the CoboStack 30i, you will achieve high automation and fast production.